Can we go left?
Hold on! Fuck you!
Uh-oh. Good thing I got a pistol. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Max, not fucking working.
I didn't see, but you're probably good.
It's my other mag.
One, maybe two.
Yo, I'm out of ammo. So like, if I'm gonna walk away, right? Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot, don't shoot.
I trust you.
I was gonna try to tag you, but then I'm like, you know what? No.
I saw something fly out. Yep.
Dude, can't believe my battery ran out.
I told you it was somewhere around here.
You were right. You good? Oh God. Oh, my ankle.
Cover me! If you are behind me and not respawning, you are wrong!
Bro, chill.
To the line now!
Hit. The sling.
Push it up on the right!
Guys, move it up! This is not the fucking objective!
Bro, this ain't Call of Duty, dude. Squad leader over here, bro. Bro, this squad leader?
What?
This squad leader?
Who? What?
That dude's shouting?
Oh, yeah. Get motivated.
Morale booster.
We don't have a huge amount of time. We might be able to get them.
Like I couldn't.
We also weren't being very aggressive on the right. We had people hanging out all over the place. It wasn't
Dude, no, it wasn't fucking aggression.
I gotta hype up the people. Give them what they want.
Oh yeah.
Did you know that there was a house in New Orleans?
Really?
Yeah.
Was there a poor boy there?
Yes.
No way.
No way.
Holy shit.
God, motherfucking damn.
Sin,
So
son.
we're gonna move it out right there.
Game start. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh shit. Shit. Oh fuck. Woo! Almost ran into you. Go. Ah, shit! My foot's stuck!
Watch out, there's people this way.
I'm going. Oh! Let's move up. We got 1 minute. Do it for the camera.
Oh, my shoes, no!
Yeah.
These are my only shoes.
Oh shit.
I saw a 5-year guy come over. I fucking ran out of ammo.
Sniper! You good? You okay?
Oh, shit. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bang, bang! Midnight City by M83, great song.
Thank you.
Oh. Got one rental. Shield, can you get him? Get the shield.
Oh, I can't get that guy.
Oh, he's out. Dude, this is unfair.
Fucked up on many levels. What are you guys doing over here?
Just hanging out, you know.
Tag me.
Yeah, we're jamming and we're shooting people. How does it get me back? I'm gonna rotate left now. It's fun.
All right, I'll cover you best I can. Got him. Yo, call your hits, dog. What? Are you kidding?
I can just get in.
Dude, I'm lighting this rental up.
Coming across the
He's not even moving. Dude. Yeah, now you move.
The ref's seen him.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yo, they're coming back across. What the fuck?
Are you kidding me? Dude, I just put him in the head. He just doesn't even flinch.
Sitting there chilling. I don't fucking
Oh,
know.
shield. Fucking mountain blade, dude. It's the mountain blade, dude.
If I hit the shield, he's out, right?
Yo, you're 2,000 years late.
No.
Left. They're coming.
Wait, do you have an extra man?
No.
Oh. Bugs! We got fucking bugs!
Here, 30 seconds, like 1 minute left. Let's fucking rush.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Jack, let's go.
Left side. Let's go. Bud died. Hit. Ugh. I need a medic here.
Got you, my boy.
Yeah.
It's it.
Get around.
At first, I thought we were actually really gonna lose.
Yeah, and then you realize that half the enemy team is rentals.
Yeah, exactly.
Did we win that, Jack?
Yeah, damn. I'm right. We had all the flags.
That's some good shit.
I was pushing up the whole time.
No, yeah, I got a bag. Ramirez, last bag. Make it count.
Hey man, teamwork make a dream work.
Oh, you dropped something. Shit. Here, through the window.
Good luck, thank you.
They're still in the woods. I see one. I wonder if that's a nade.
Clear. $12 o'clock.
I got him with it.
Nice. Should we push in there?
I'm down. I got 2 with it.
Nice.
3? Did I get all 3 of you?
I ain't gonna tell you.
Good point.
On you.
Let's watch this corner.
Got 3.
Alright, so it's your last play day before you come back to us.
You all get 10-second head start. Go.
Well, in Russia, you go one hand.
On the barrel. On the corner.
He's in a corner down there.
All right, I'm gonna get on the right here.
You got one right there in the corner.
Which corner?
Yeah, you're good.
I'm crossing.
Hey, dude. That guy was impressive.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty good.
Dude, it's the ref gave me his gun. This ain't mine.
Oh, pretty good.
I know.
I'm gonna ask him where he got that from. We got some moving? Behind building?
Got him. Classic.
Hey, bud, you drop one of your mags on the ground.
Thank you.
Hey, no blind fire.
I saw you.
Yeah, I was blind firing.
I saw you.
Yeah, you know I was coming around the corner, but you blind fired.
I saw you.
But you blind fired.
I saw you.
You blind fired.
Shit. Ugh. Me? Okay. Sure.
Creative, right?
All right, right side. Big moves, bro. Yeah, I did. I hit you, bro.